Hi, I'm Ben again, and with me is Nathan.
Hello, I'm Nathan. I'm Daniel's little brother.
Welcome, Nathan. Uh, this time we will be learning some expressions if and when you are in a restaurant. The expression is I like, gusto ko, then name. Think of things that you like in a restaurant. Gusto ko itong adobo.
Gusto ko itong adobo.
Another one.
So, is it
Gusto ko
gusto ko
itong pansit.
pansit?
Gusto
ko itong kare-kare.
Tama. Okay, so that is I like. Now, the next one is what you don't like.
Okay.
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw?
Mhm.
Okay.
Ayaw ko itong baboy, karne baboy, pork. Sige, think of what you don't like.
Mushrooms.
Sige, sabihin mo yan. Ayaw ko
Ayaw ko itong
kabuti.
kabuti.
Say it once more. Ayaw ko
itong
kabuti.
kabuti.
Or if you forget kabuti, you can just say mushroom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Does this have? Meron bang asin ito? Does this have salt? Does this have vinegar? Meron bang suka ito? Say,
Meron bang
and then name it. Suka,
suka ito? Asin,
patis.
patis.
Okay. So you are asking, does this have? Meron ba? If there is none, walang asin ito.
Okay.
Walang maanghang. Walang asukal. Sugar. The fourth one is, may I have? May I have pansit? Pahingi ng pansit.
Pahingi.
May I have? Pahingi ng tubig. Then use pahingi and you think of some things that you like to ask.
Okay.
Sige, pahingi
Pahingi ng tubig. I
ano
do
pa?
like water.
Okay.
Pahingi ng kape. How do you say tea?
Cha.
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 Okay.
Okay.
How would you
Humingi
say?
ka. Pahingi
Pahingi ng
cha.
cha.
Okay. This one is you are asking, do you have coffee? Meron ba kayong kape? Do you have coffee?
How do you say it?
Meron ba kayong kape?
Meron ba? What's the second
Kayong
word? Kayong
kape.
kape.
Okay, say it again.
Meron ba
Kayong
kayong kape?
kape. Think of another one. Meron ba
Meron ba kayong tubig?
tubig?
Meron ba kayong tubig?
Meron. May tubig.
Okay.
Ano pa? Ang tinatanong mo.
Meron ba kayong cha?
Meron. Wala kaming fried chicken. Walang fried chicken. And the last one is, ito ay masarap. Masarap itong pansit. This pansit is delicious. But in Filipino, the word delicious goes first at the beginning. Masarap is delicious. Masarap itong adobo. O mag-isip ka ng ilang pagkain sa restaurant na masasabi mong masarap. Masarap.
Masarap itong adobo.
Ano pa?
Masarap itong pansit.
Ano pa?
Masarap itong lumpia.
Masarap. Tama. Ano pa?
Masarap itong cha.
Okay, very good. And thank you again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I like dessert. I like adobo. What do you like? With me is Nathan. Once again, I am there.
See? 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 See?
Okay.
See, I was even here. That was him.
And then...
Is he remembering some childhood experience?